Ignition sequence starts. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11. Tower cleared.
We got a roll program.
Neil Armstrong reporting the roll and pitch program, which puts Apollo 11 on a proper heading. Plus 30.
For those who haven't read the plaque, we'll read the plaque that's on the front landing gear of this LEM. There's two hemispheres, one showing each of the two hemispheres of Earth. Underneath it says, "Dear men from the planet Earth, first set foot upon the moon, July 1969.
Today I'm going to show you 10 incredible facts about Apollo 11 that most people have never heard of. Let's begin. 1. Armstrong almost died before the mission even began. During training, the lunar landing training vehicle malfunctioned and crashed. Armstrong ejected less than 1 second before the machine exploded. 2. The Apollo 11 computer was weaker than a digital watch. The Apollo guidance computer had a 1 MHz processor and only 4 kilobytes of RAM, yet it guided the spacecraft all the way to the moon and back. 3. The lunar module landed with just 17 seconds of fuel left. Armstrong avoided dangerous boulders and craters manually. When Eagle finally touched down, it had only a few seconds of fuel remaining. 4. A tragic moon disaster speech was prepared. The White House wrote a speech in case the astronauts were stranded on the moon forever. It began with the words, "Fate has ordained that the men who went to the moon will remain on the moon." 5. The American flag was almost impossible to plant. The lunar soil was much harder than expected. The astronauts managed to push the pole only a few centimeters into the ground. 6. The footprints on the moon will last millions of years. There is no wind, no rain, and almost no erosion on the moon. Armstrong's footprints will remain for an incredibly long time. 7. A 17-year-old helped transmit the moon landing signal. Australian technician Glenn Nance, only 17 years old, helped maintain the signal from the moon. Without him, parts of the broadcast could have been lost. 8. Many gifted moon rocks have mysteriously disappeared. The United States gifted small moon rock samples to countries around the world. Dozens of these samples later vanished and still remain missing. 9. Armstrong's famous quote contains a missing A. The line should have been, "That's one small step for a man." But in the recording, the A is missing or unclear due to tension and radio distortion. 10. Apollo 11 left mirrors on the moon that still work today. These retroreflectors allow scientists to bounce lasers off the moon and measure its distance with incredible precision, even today. If you enjoyed this video and want more amazing stories like this, make sure to follow for more.